Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Kyotoka. I'm Ryusei. Today I introduce a Japanese traditional soybean side dish, nimame. I'm sure soybeans are very important ingredients all over the world. In Japan, it is same. Soybeans are used in Japanese essential seasonings, soy sauce and miso. And soybeans are called dashi and written by like this. This dish is good for a wide variety of dishes. I hope you enjoy healthy and delicious soybean side dish, nimame. Yes, let's make it. This is dashi, which is grown in Hokkaido. At first, I wash them in the water. And drain a sieve. Okay. Then add them to the ample water and let them stand overnight. Next day, the beans are swollen and beautiful. I transfer them to the pot and heat it. Once it starts to boil, the foam comes to the surface, so I skim off it carefully. This helps to make dashi clear. Okay, and cook it for 30 to 40 minutes over low heat. 30 minutes later, I check it by tasting. Okay, the bean is soft and moisture. I turn off the heat and let it cool. Please give a moment. My goal is to reach 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. You can know a lot of Japanese food recipes and culture. If you like the video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Then I'll prepare other ingredients. At first, kombu. This kombu is Hidaka kombu, which is grown in southern Hokkaido. The feature of Hidaka kombu is soft. It is good for simmer dish. I place kombu in the container and add 200 grams of the water. I soak it in the water to rehydrate for 30 minutes. Meanwhile, I'll cut the vegetables. This is carrot, which is grown in Chiba Prefecture. Today I use about 50 grams. I peel off the skin and cut it into 1 cm cubes. This orange color of the carrot is strong, so I recommend to cut it into a little bit smaller than soybeans. And the tip is cut it into same size. Okay. Next, burdock. It is called gobo, which is grown in Aomori Prefecture. The flavor of it is earthy and the texture is crunchy. I also use about 50 grams and divide it into quarters. Good. I cut it into 1 cm pieces. Careful cutting makes the dish more beautiful and delicious. Nice. Next, snow peas. This is called kinusaya, which is grown in Fukushima Prefecture. You can use green beans instead of it. I remove the strings. Okay. I cut it into small pieces diagonally. Okay. 30 minutes later, kombu splits and becomes moisture. I remove the kombu. After that, I'll use this water. That's why I keep it. I cut it into 1 cm squares. Kombu gives amazing flavor to the dish. Okay, I've done cutting. The tip is to cut the ingredients almost same size. And I change the amount of the ingredients depending on the season. Now it is in summer in Japan, so I use a little bit large amount of snow peas. This green color let us feel cool, and if it's in winter, I increase the amount of carrot. This orange color let us feel warm. This is love, not technique. Soybeans have cooled down. I drain the sieve and separate the dashi and beans. This dashi has lots of nutrients and flavors. And this is a recipe. Today I use two types of soy sauce, Usukuchi and Koikuchi. The color of Usukuchi is paler than Koikuchi. Today I'd like to keep the color of the ingredients, that's why I use Usukuchi more. And the Koikuchi adds a richness to the sauce. Of course you can use soy sauce which you have. Okay, let's combine the sauce ingredients. I add Kombu dashi to the pot. And Mirin, Usukuchi, Koikuchi, and sugar. Then I add soybeans, carrot, Burdock, Atlas, Kombu. Okay, I prepared. I don't put the snow peas now. Turn on the heat. I warm it over high heat. Once it starts to boil, I skim off the foam carefully. Nice. Good. I turn down the heat and heat it for 20 minutes over low heat. 20 minutes later, I turn off the heat. Then I add snow peas to the pot. Snow peas are cooked with residual heat. I pour the sauce over them. Okay, I let it cool and keep it in the fridge. Next day, the ingredients absorb the flavor well. I mix them and let's arrange it on the plate. The mame is done. We can preserve it for 5 days in the fridge. いただきます。The beans are nice soft texture and they absorb the dashi flavor. I can enjoy the pure flavor of the ingredients. It is simple but delicious. Thank you. Did you enjoy? Today I introduced a Japanese traditional soybean side dish. This dish is very healthy and delicious. I hope you enjoy Japanese traditional taste, nimame. Thank you for watching to this end. I'm looking forward to seeing you next time. Have a nice day. See you later.